Hi students, let's study about addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. As in the previous videos we learned how to add and subtract normal fractions. In this video let's study about mixed fractions. Now what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is, it's a fraction. See, it's written here, a mixed fraction is a whole number and a fraction combined. So in a mixed fraction there will be whole number and a fraction combined. So 1 3/4, this is a mixed fraction. We need to read this as 1 whole 3/4, otherwise 1 and 3/4, like that also you can read. Now how we need to add and subtract these fractions, let's see. Now here you need to add this both fractions. See, this both fractions you need to add 2 and 3/4 plus 3 and 1/2 you need to add, otherwise 2 whole 3/4 plus 3 whole 1/2. So these both are mixed fractions. So how we need to add is, first we need to change them to improper fractions. We need to change this to a normal fraction, that's an improper fraction. In order to do that, what we need to do is, see, it's written here, we need to multiply the denominator with the whole, which means we need to multiply 2 with 4. So we will get 8, and we will add the numerator. So with 8 we will add 3, so we will get 11, and we will write in the numerator 11, and denominator will not change, denominator is going to be same. The same way 3 whole 1/2, when we change we will get like this. So 3 we multiply by 2, 6, and we add 1, 7. So there is a multiplication here, over here there is a multiplication, and over here it's a addition. That's what we how we do mixed fraction to improper fractions. And now after changing, see, these two questions, this addition to question, we change this to this and this to this. Now we need to add this both. So these both are normal fractions. Now you know how to add them, isn't it? You will make the denominator same. You will take the common denominator, the denominator of, so 11/4 plus 7/2 you will have to do. So here LCM is going to be 4. So you will make the both the denominator 4. This is already 4, so it's no problem. This one you need to make it as 4 by multiplying by 2. So same way you will have to multiply numerator also. If you give anything to the denominator, you will have to give to the numerator also. Now this will change to 14/4, and this will remain as 11/4. Now you can add this both. It will give you 25/4, and 25/4 you can write as 25/4. You can change to, again you need to convert back to mixed fraction. In order to convert a improper fraction to mixed fraction, you will have to do the division. So in 24, how many times 4 is going? 6 times. 6 times going 24, and 1 will remain, that will become the numerator. So 6 whole 1/4. Now this addition of this question can be done in another way. This is an easy way. I am going to show you that. See, please listen carefully. Your question is this: 2 whole 3/4 plus 3 whole 1/2. So in a mixed fraction, 2 whole 3/4, in between this whole number and a fraction number there is an addition sign. There is an addition sign. So 2 whole 3/4 can be written as 2 plus 3/4, and plus 3 whole 1/2 can be written as 3 plus 1/2. Now it's this both are whole numbers, so this can be added as 5, and this both are fraction numbers. It can be written separately, 3/4 plus 1/2. Now we add only this both because they are fractional numbers. In order to add them, I need to make the denominator same. So I will make it as 4, this also as 4. Now 5 plus 3/4 plus, it will become 2/4. Now 3/4 plus 2/4 will give me 5/4. Now 5/4 I need to change to mixed fraction. So in 5, how many times 4 is there? In 5, 1 time 4 is there. 1 times 4 and 1 is remaining 4. See, 5 by 4 I can write it as 1 whole 1 by 4. Now 1 whole 1 by 4. So that's how we did it. 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 plus 1 by 2. Here 2 plus 3 5. Otherwise you can do in that way. I will show properly in the subtraction. See the subtraction. Here we need to subtract this both. These both are mixed fractions, so we need to subtract them. So usually you change this to improper. See, this one you are changing to like this in improper, this one you are changing like this to improper. Now you will subtract them both by keeping the denominator same. Their LCM will be 12. Their LCM is 12 and make the denominator equal to 12. So you will get 189 by 12, 106 by 12. Always remember, if the denominator change, then the numerator also will change. Then you, after making the denominator same, you subtract them. Then after getting the answer, you change to mixed fraction again. Now this one you can easily, in my method, according to me, there is an easy way to do. See here, it's already a sign is there. Here plus sign will be there, here minus sign will be there. Why? Because here whole number is negative. So in between them also negative will be there. So I can write this as 15 plus 3 by 4. Here plus, because 15 is positive. Here minus 8 minus 5 by 6. Because here whole number is minus. So in between them also minus is there. So like this you can write. Now you can subtract this both, because these both are normal numbers. So 15 minus 8 will give you 7, and plus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6 you need to do separately. Now here we need to make the denominator same. Here LCM is 12, so I will have to multiply this by 3 to get 12, this also by 3, this one by 2, so I get 12, here also by 2. Now I need to rewrite again, plus this will become 9 by 12 and this will become 10 by 12. Now this becomes 7. 9 minus 10 will give me minus 1 by 12. Now minus 1 by 12 I will have to subtract. See, here it's a complicated procedure, because in between minus came and I will have to give 1 to this. So instead of 7 I will write 6 plus 1, 12 by 12 minus 1 by 12, because 1 is 12 by 12. Now 12 by 12 minus 1 by 12 will give me 6 plus 11 by 12. So final answer is 6 whole 11 by 12. So if you want, you can take this method, otherwise you can go on with this method which is written over here. So anyway, it's not a big deal. You change the mixed fraction to improper, then you do the usual steps. I hope you understood this. Thank you.